I shared to, I do have a reviewers. Generally, once I prepare the material, I used to have a reviewer and I already sent yesterday, madam shared material. He appreciated actually. Nicely prepared. Nicely prepared. I have a reviewers back and I do have a team. They really appreciated actually. Good. Keep continuing. That is real good habit. Prepare your running notes. It will be really helpful for you. Okay. Fine then. Thank you. Let me just try to move on. Let's prepare running notes for today as usual. I can take this one control. SVM is the continuation. 100 and SVM is the continuation. Next one will be gradient descent algorithm. What algorithm, sir? Gradient descent algorithm. And today date is 2. Fine then. Running notes number 2. No. Date is the 2. These are all things we done yesterday. I can delete. I will execute from scratch. We'll get an idea. If you're planning to apply a regression, then the topic name is called as a SVR. What is the topic name, sir? SVR, support vector mission, support vector regressor, support vector regressor actually. And if you're planning to apply classification, then what is the topic name? What is the topic, sir? Support vector classifier, support vector classifier. That's what you need to get an idea. Okay. Yeah. Make a note on this. Fine then, I can just try to execute the example as usual. You will get an idea. So topic, the topic name is called as a SVM. What is the topic name, sir? SVM. Yeah. Step number 1, importing the libraries. We know these are all libraries. Dale, what are libraries we have to import? Pandas we have to import as of now. Let me just try to import the pandas. Then step number 2, loading the data set. What is the step number 2? Loading the data set. Let us do actually very quickly. Let's do that. These are all quite interesting. You have to make a note on this. Yes, we are loading the data set. Data set is loaded actually. We know these are all. Then creating a data frame. Yeah, Daniel. Step number 3 is so called as a, I can say that data preparation. Online team, I trust you guys are following. Come again. What is the step number 3? Data preparation. Good. When I say data preparation, action Y. Keyword augment actually. Okay, we are good to go. 1 minute, let me run so that you can confirm either we are moving on with a nice flow or not actually. Let's run this. Oh, we need to import this function. Sir, by this time, by looking at the error, you have to feel happy. You have to feel. Why? Because you know how to fix that error actually. If anyone is fearing for error, ippudiki kuda evarana error ante bhayapadte ganaka, I'm sure you're not good in Python. You're not good in? That is a sign actually. That's called which is a sign. Alright, make a note on this. Sir, I have seen your message. I will respond. Morning you send, I guess actually. Running out of this. Yeah, good. Importing the libraries, loading the data set. The next topic is what exactly, sir? Data preparation. Let me tell you, frankly speaking, because of these 7 steps actually, total machine learning became very easy. Either will you accept or not, sir? That's what you need to be understand. Sir, for any chapter, there are some key points. Make a note about that key points. You will understand the topic like anything actually. Preparing that key points, you have to, keen understanding is required about the topic. What is required? Keen understanding. Clear. You have to be very, very clear about the topic actually. If you want, I will give you. Let us take about the pandas. In pandas, what we are doing, sir, majorly we are focusing on, the first one will be series, the next one will be data frame. If you're asking, Daniel, can you explain about the pandas in 2 minutes? Means, yes, I can explain. After data frame is created, simple, we are applying an operation. Applying on what exactly, sir? Applying operations. Operations, then over data frame, right? What are all operations we are applying actually? A kind of some filtering we are applying. The next one, sorting we are applying. The next one, group by we are applying. Blah, blah, blah. These are all operations we are applying. That's what you need to get a clear picture. If you want, I can talk more also, but enough. Data, data frame, apply operation. That's it. That is the data, pandas total discussion actually. But on an average, more than 10 days we covered. How many? Total 10 days information. If you wanted to know just a matter of 1 minute actually, that is the discussion we done. Filtering the data, sorting the data, group by, playing with the date and time operation, blah, blah, blah. These are all things we done actually. That's what. If you are very clear over the topic actually, if you are getting good knowledge over the topic, you can create a summary. You can create a, what do you mean by summary, let me tell you. I hope you might aware about watching the news. They will tell headings. They will tell, I'm sorry, not heading, headlines. What is that? How they will prepare headline? They are very clear about the all news actually. Now they will prepare headlines. You should be like that actually. You should be like that. Okay. Miru aa stage ki ellali. There are some stages in preparation. Let me stop my overaction actually. Yeah, let's continue. I know you guys are not kids. You can reach actually. Fine then. We done these are all. Data preparation. Where are we? Creating the data frame. Here we are. And yeah, adding a column. We know this how to add. Oh, it's splitted actually. Very good, man. Almost we are moving on right direction actually. Importing the libraries. Yeah, we are preparing. We are separating. A kind of some, we can also say as a filtering. Generally, though we know how the data is available, but in real time, you have to filter the data. You have to filter by using Boolean condition. By using, but as of now, we already know the data, how the data, how the data structured actually. Then I'm just directly accessing 0 to 50, 50 to 100, blah, blah, blah. These are all things we are doing actually. Yeah, good. Move on to the next. Plotting the data. Now make a note on this one. Yeah, good. So what exactly we are doing is, Daniel, let us just have to apply the data visualization step. Yeah, session started from now, today's session. Special step, special actually, which is called as a data visualization. Which is called as a data visualization. Daniel, how to do that? Very simple, man. You can, now I'm planning on sepal length and sepal width. Then I'm planning to take only two types of flower. First one is the setosa, the next one will be versicle, right? X label and Y label, let us just have to create that one, X label and Y label. Okay, ready, Daniel. Then let us just have to create a scatter plot. First to scatter plot, I'm taking from DF0. Okay, from the DF0, I'm planning to take only sepal length and sepal width actually. Fine then. The next one would be, yeah. If you format the code like this looks pretty good, man. That's what you need to format your code actually. This is also called as a formatting your code. Do you think over? No, no, no. You need to call show. Then only cinema will start actually. Did I miss anything? Okay. You can just have to come here, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Let's run. Ready. Cinema is ready actually. Yeah, good. Now from this diagram you have to be understand. As of now I'm talking about the DF0. I'm talking about what exactly mean from the DF0 sepal length I'm plotting. Almost 50 flowers length you are plotting actually. On x-axis you are taking, think like this one is the flower number 1, flower number 2, flower number 3. Total how many data points, sir? 50 data points. Make a note on this one. Okay. Daniel, this data point, the length is 5. This flower, a kind of some sepal length is what exactly, no? Maybe I can say 5. This one should be on an average 5.1 maybe, right? The frequency will be 2. Then I can say 5.1. Then 5.2. Chaptara, what is the length? 5.4. Now this is about the length actually. Length keep on increasing. Keep on. Now on y-axis, what I am taking, you know, sir. On y-axis, I am planning to take DF1 now. I'm sorry, sir. Y-axis, what I am taking actually? Sepal width I am taking. What I am taking? Sepal width actually, right? So let us just try to plot same thing like that from data frame 1 also. Let me create one more scatter plot. You can create multiple scatter plots. You can create actually. That is still possible. Yeah, yeah. Now let us move on. Very nice. You can understand the difference between flower 1 and flower 2. Especially how the first flower length, how the first flower width at the same time. Second, can I tell you? Can I tell you? By looking at this one, you can feel very simple. Sir, think like, blue. First type of flower, length is very long actually. Chiptara? These are all flowers. The length is very long actually. But the width is minimal width. Width is minimal. But let me tell you, this type of flower, what is very long? You know, any idea? Yeah, width is very long, but length will be minimal actually. Near minimal. Good. That kind of some good separation actually. Okay. So we done this example, I guess, yesterday. Take this example. Plotting. Setos and what exactly, sir? Versicolor. Yeah, good, good. Now the next example would be the same example, sir. Same example. But what is this example, you know? Ah, previously sepal length, sepal width I have taken. Now I am targeting petal length, petal width. What is that? Petal length, petal width. Same copy pasted example. These are all valid actually. Now here petal length, petal width I am taking. Now from the data frame number 1, I am talking about, you know, third feature and fourth feature. What features, man? Third feature and fourth feature. Then let us just try to make it separate. And especially what I'm taking, sir, chapter sepal length and sepal width actual. Okay. Yeah. Now చెప్తారా sir? Petal length, petal width. Fine, Daniel. We understand very clearly. Then I can just try to come here. Let us delete these are all thing. Not everything. Just delete these are all thing. Even just delete actually. Now here onwards, I would like to write from scratch. Get ready, sir. Can you help me? Petal length, petal width. Yeah, it's okay. X label and Y label. The next one would be I'm planning to create a scatter plot. I'm planning to create a scatter plot just to get an idea. Sometimes data visualization literally helps you. plt dot show. Yeah, good man. Make a note on this. These are all the data, kind of some petal length and what exactly, sir? Petal width I'm taking. Ensure that make a note on this. Now the next point will be now second type of flower I'm taking. Good, good. Sir, one small point. Uh, Petal length and petal width actually. Two types of flower. This type of flower, frankly speaking, the minimal, when I'm talking about the petals actually, length and width will be very minimal. But sir, this type of flower, talk with me, length and width will be what exactly, you know, sir? What length and width actually? I'm talking about the petal. I'm talking about petal. If you want, you can just try to plot sepal also. You can just try to plot sepal also you can take, then you will get a clear picture actually. మీకు మంచి ఒక clear idea వస్తుంది. Okay. That you can do accordingly. Take this one. Now by using SVM, we are separating. We are separating actually. First class and second class. Yeah, splitting the data set. I hope you already know this step actually. Come on, let us just try to delete these are all. Special step not required for me as of now. Step number 4. Any idea what is the step number 4? Splitting the data set. Can I switch on? Please let me know. No worries. Let me trigger this function. Okay, cool. To split the data, do we need to do manually? No. Let me tell you, Python, because of Python, frankly speaking, we are really enjoying every step actually. Think about olden days. Mathematicians actually, they need to apply maths. They need to apply maths actually. By using maths, they need to split the data, they need to prepare the data, they need to create a model. Sir, these are all very horrible tasks actually. Doing manually, it takes a lot of time, time consuming. Go back to my father example. 100 images. How many? 100 images. He divided, sir, image number 1, first of all, shuffle operation. What operation? Then he taken image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4. On an average, he spent, I can say, 10 minutes time. How long time? Thank God it is a 100 images actually. Think about 1000 images. How many? Gone case actually. Where there are no functions, if where there is no function, time consuming actually. Indirectly, life is very happy. If you wanted to split the data, call function. Function takes care here actually. Now one student asked a question. Are Daniel, how it is doing the functionality? Can I see? You can see. Source code is available, but don't try to see as of now. If you wanted to understand internally how it is working, minimum you should have 1 year real-time experience. Get a job, join in a company, how the project flow is moving on. Once you are able to understand, once you are able to write your own function in a real-time project, once you are able to understand real-time functions actually, you have to write and you have to understand. Then later you can easy to understand predefined functionality, how they have defined actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? If you want, you can see internal code also. Why? Because open source. Why? Because open source, boss. I mean, the code is available. I hope I'm not talking more actually. Sir, do the data preparation. Yeah, this one is the X and this one is the Y. Target is not required, flower name is not required. We are just trying to dropping those actually. Now you can just have to call a function. Function name is so called as what exactly, sir? Train underscore test underscore split. I hope you already know. You can just have to format your code like this actually. It looks pretty good. Sir, random underscore state I'm not using. Then what happened? Every time shuffling, right? Can you read the order? X train, X test, Y train, Y. Can I say X train, Y train, X test, Y test? No, please no actually. Then importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation. Next one is splitting the data set. Splitting the data set. I just need your help actually. What is the next step, sir? Model training. First of all, a model, you need to create a model. Then you have to go for model creation actually. Create a model. The next one will be model training. Create a model. Model creation. Import that model. Here SVC, which is all capital letters. Sometimes, I mean, they can create with, I mean, the one who created this SVC, he given all are capital letter, that is okay, accepted actually. If you wanted to know either it is a class or not, you can go to the documentation and you can still cross verify, right? Even literally he followed shortest notation. Otherwise, he's supposed to give support vector classify. Okay, SVM. Inside SVM, SVC is available. Sir, SVM means support vector mission. SVC means support vector. SVR means very good. Make a note. These are all small things. You should know by this time actually. Model equals to common, sir. SV. Do you think SVM actually? No. Talk with me, sir. SVC. Successfully model is created. Model creation is done. What is the next step so called? Yo, these steps literally helping. Total machine learning became very easy for you. Model dot fit method. What methods are fit method? Any idea? Do you think X comma Y? Then what is the need of splitting? If splitting is available, don't provide X comma Y. What we need to provide, sir? X underscore train. Do you think X underscore test? You will get an error. Do you think Y underscore test actually? You will get an error. Tell me what is the right one? Train. The train word is important. That's what I told. Those names are fixed. X train, X test. Y train, Y test. Model training also done. Model training also done actually. Ayyo. Yeah. Then any idea what is the next step, sir? Prediction, right? Before going for prediction, either how the model, I just wanted to know, I wanted to check the model accuracy, model score actually. Go to my father example. Once the training is over, once also training is over, my father done testing. Why testing? To check accuracy. During the testing, my father came across out of 30, 27 is the score. What is the score? Now, if you want, you can call a method. Method name is so called as a score. For this method, you need to provide X test. You need to provide. Then what we need to provide, sir? Y test. You need to provide. How well the model trained actually. Special step, sir. Y checking the score. Checking score. Model score. Yeah, you can cross verify. Nice, man. Very good. It is telling 100 out of 100 actually. Provide random underscore state and you can try. There is a good question. Good question, sir. Definitely they will ask. Daniel, how to answer? Simple. Follow Daniel material actual. Follow? Daniel's method. I followed one order. First, what I covered? Python. Next, what I covered? Pandas. If you are able to understand all pandas, data analysis operations you can apply. I mean, you can answer. That's what follow the order actually. Once after I came across you are comfortable with the pandas actually, then feature engineering, kind of some maths, numpy I covered, then later machine learning. I should not imagine once you join for a data science course, I should not put the heading directly machine learning. If I put heading actually gone case. Till these many days you never travel with me actually. Are you with me or not, sir? I mean, I follow the order. Please follow the same order. Interview become very easy actually. It will become very easy, right? Siddiq Sarjay. I mean, so did you? Yeah. Good. Great question. Great answer actually. Let's move. Let's move on. Model prediction, Daniel. Yeah, good. So I have one small question for you. While during the training, what is the feature length actually? 4 features you provide: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Then while doing prediction also, please provide 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a note on this one. Okay. If you want, you can convert this example into, hey, Daniel, I wanted to take values at random. Yeah. How to do actually? Input. You can create a for loop with range of 4 values. You can just have to ask 4 times actually. Pass those 4 values into this function. I'm sorry, this method. Then you will get a result actually. Make a note on this. Go. Simple, man. Very simple, right? Let me just try to take this step. Step number 7, prediction. Admin. Okay. Why admin come and he will check, either students are listening or sleeping actually. He will check actually. If sleeping, he will talk with admin. Daniel is, making them to sleep actually. Admin వచ్చినప్పుడు కొంచెం లెగండి. While admin coming, don't sleep actually. I request you, right? What is the prediction, sir? చెప్పండి. Oh, sir, can you help me? Why warning? Warning ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? Come again? Machine learning algorithm need array data, sir. Need what data? But here you are providing the data frame. You should know the reason. You should know what exactly reason. Then it will be helpful for you. Chaptara how to apply dot values. Then how to apply? That's it, man. Cinema is over actually. Now, no warning. One minute. Sir, let me correct. Let me correct your terminology. First point, predict is method. Predict is, no, we should not even pronounce as it is a function. This one small point is enough actually to filter the candidate, right? And yeah, and that's okay, no worries. But let me correct. Why? Because once I corrected actually, there is no chance of doing the mistake again. Predict function, predict method, accept variable length argument actually. Now the answer will be, we need to check the documentation. We need to check what exactly, check the documentation. But as of now, it is okay. As of now, we can just try to, we can proceed with, so exactly input feature, input values actual, input values. Okay. It's not a function. Oh, last page is the blank. That's okay. Fine then. So with my explanation, take this piece of code actually. We done with SVM. Steps from chapter sir 1 to 7. We done these are all. Online team, let me talk with you. How is your preparation, sir? How is your preparation going on? I can talk with you maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Offline team, how is your preparation? Are you good in Python? Pandas? Machine learning, do revision. Vishwateja, sir. Thank you. What about others? Everyone respond actually. Everyone, please respond. I'm waiting for your response. People are leaving actually. Please don't leave the session. Okay. Okay. Bhavita boss. Joshi sirji. Srinath sir. Okay. Good. Maybe let me take a 2 minutes actually. I may not. I will take 2 minutes of time. A kind of some small little motivation, which is really helpful for you. Let me take a control. Tim, almost 2.5 years I don't have a job. I hope you already know. I no need to explain again and again actually. 2.8 months or 2.0 years actually, no job, no job. Then let me tell you, then if I don't have a job, I didn't sit ideal, sir. I didn't sit what exactly ideal actually. I didn't waste my time. My complete focus on what exactly job actually. Then I done really I done nice preparation, sir. Nice preparation, and you can't believe. One small point I would like to say. I'm very good in Java. Till date, I have that Java vibes actually. I'm very good in what exactly, sir? Java. In a olden days, in the year of 2012, 2011, I learned Java course actually. Now, what exactly happened, sir? Can you tell me? I done what exactly, man? Nice preparation. That preparation helps me while working. I'm repeating again. Today, if you really done good practice actually, I'm sure you will get a job. Once you are getting a job, your preparation will be helpful for you. What is helping? Your preparation only. Let me tell you one small point. The point will be, sir, directly telling, no trainer never tell like this actually. Evaru kuda enta open ga chep. No trainer never tell openly like this actually. I added experience. I added what exactly, sir? Experience. I mean to say, frankly speaking, in different word, kind of some fake experience actual. Why? Because till 2.5 years I don't have a job. One of my senior actually, I called him and I told, Anna, I don't have a job, what I need to do. He told one thing. Are you good in Java? I told, Anna, I'm very good in Java. Then do one thing, add a experience and you can try. Sir, I tried, sir. I added an experience and I tried actually. I tried. And almost seventh interview I got job actually. Seventh interview, what exactly meant? Got a job. Here is a small story. Now I told, right, I'm very good in preparation. First of all, if you are very good in preparation, no fear. When I was giving interview, I never fear for anybody actually. Why? Because only one thing is helped actually. What is that? Practice. While I'm giving interview, I feel more confident, more courage actually. Imagine someone is asking a question. On an average, out of 10, I can give guarantee, I can answer 8 questions. How many? I'm not that much overconfident. Out of 10, I can answer 10. No. I'm very good in preparation. Then I got a job, sir. After getting a job, here is a one small story. Let me explain. 1 minute actually, I will not take much time. One day, what happened, sir? I got a job and the days are moving on. Days are what exactly moving on? Sir, first 2 month salary, I got 48K actually. First month salary. This 48K, around what exactly, sir? Around 18 days salary. 18 days. 18 days or 20 days, I'm not sure actually. I joined in between the month. In between the month. The moment when I have seen, sir, 2.5 years, no job. That is a salary day. I got a message in your account, 48,000 credited in the sense, trust me, that day I cried actually. Sorry, your hard work pays you. If you are really very good in practice, get ready. You will get your salary actually. If you are not doing preparation today, you are wasting the money. That's what you need to be understand. Now, not this one I wanted to tell. Not this one I want to tell. What I wanted to tell, sir, almost 3 months over. What over actually? 3 months over. Once after 3 months over, there is a one person name is called as a Kedarji. I like him. Why? Because, while I'm working, I used to get a support from him actually. He's a real-time expert, man. He's working real-time expert actually, real-time expert. Almost 5 years of real-time experience. How many experience? Talk with me, sir. How many years actually? 5 years actually. Sorry, I feel little emotional. 5 years actually. Sir, in Java, there is always one confusion topic. And he asked one question. When we both are working in project, 5 years of experience person, he asked one question. Overriding and overloading actually. I mean, practically implementing will be little tricky. This topic will be. But let me tell you, I'm expert in that area. Why? Because, sir, when I don't have a job, I will talk only practice. In my hand 24 hours actually. On an average, I used to prepare more than 5 to 6 hours. Enough. Out of 24 hours, if you are able to prepare more than 5 to 6, you no need to prepare like a IAS, IPS, 18 hours, 20 hours. If anyone is saying this discussion actually, they are simply throwing biscuit. They are simply throwing what exactly, man? Biscuit actually. Now, when he was asking, can we implement kind of some overloading and overriding? Sir, let me tell you, I have implemented. I have what exactly? I have implemented and I have shown my implementation actually. What he done, what he said, hey, you done really very nice actually. Well done, Nirishan actually. Can you tell me who given comments, sir? Kedarji. How many years of experience? But I'm just joker. I'm sorry. Just to 3 months real-time experience I know actually. I added experience I know. A real-time experience person, he is appreciating the one who added an experience because of my practice only. Because of what exactly, sir? Please, you can make a note on this one. I know where I came from. I added experience, sir. But a real-time working employee, he is appreciating, hey, well done, nicely you done actually. That days, exactly my practice helped me actually. Today, if you are neglecting the practice actually, get ready. So, while you are working, you may struggle actually. But today, if you are really enjoying about your practice actually, when it will be helpful, sir? Once you get a job, while working, it will be helpful. That's what I wanted to talk. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, ensure that make a note on this, okay? All right, all right. I don't know. When I remember my olden days, awesome, man. When you are passing through the difficulties, get ready. Those are all memories for you. Today, are you feeling anyone feeling difficulty? Actually, get ready. The day will come. Your difficulty you can remember, and you can share your juniors and your kids. These are all things actually. Yeah, those are all my memories. Those days I feel I'm struggling a lot actually, but those days became like a memories for me actually. Convert your difficulties into memories actually. One more small point. Yeah, good. If anyone is working employee learning, first of all, I can really appreciate actually. That's still okay. Even if you're not doing regular practice, that is still okay actually. I'm closing the discussion. Sir, madam, don't neglect the practice, sir. Be good in practice. Don't neglect the practice. Okay? Yeah, that's what I wanted to talk with you. Online team, please don't frustrate and irritate on me. Sir, be good in practice, man. Be good in practice. That's it actually. Where are we? Now I need to start a new topic, which is so called as a gradient descent algorithm. Prepare, sir, prepare. Everyone should get a job actually. Be serious about your career. Siddiq sir, very good. I appreciate actually. Even by checking document also, I mean, by checking the documentation also, we can cross verify the same thing. We done this. And can you help me? What is this? Running topic. After this, the 27th should be new algorithm. We'll see what kind of new algorithm we'll see. Good, sir. What is the topic name? Gradient descent algorithm. Okay. What is gradient descent algorithm? These are all, you should have an idea. I'm sure you already know ML flow. In ML flow, one of the topic name is called as what exactly? Now today you will understand what is a major role. Yeah, what is a major role? Yeah, here you can see gradient descent algorithm. Okay. Come on. I just wanted to hear from you. Chappan sir. Data, data frame, feature engineering, array, machine learning algorithm, cost function, gradient descent algorithm, increase accuracy, reduce error, bias, variance. Good. Today I wanted to tell one small thing. The point will be, sir, these three are best of friends actually. These three are best friends. Simply, I mean, a triangle story. Machine learning algorithm is a separate point. The next one will be cost function is a separate person. Think like that. Gradient descent is a separate person actually. These three are different persons. Always these three persons communicate each other. Machine learning algorithm will talk with the cost function. Cost function will talk with what exactly? Gradient descent algorithm. Then gradient descent algorithm will take the action. Then again gradient descent algorithm will pass information to the ML actually. This is something like a triangle story. What story? These three always communicate each other. What is the main motto, you know? Once the moment whenever you are calling the fit method, the moment whenever you are calling what methods are fit method, model supposed to learn actually. Best example, go back to the my father example. Once my father started training, I need to gain the knowledge. Slowly by slowly, initially, the knowledge levels are 0. Error is the 100. Error is what exactly, sir? 100 actually. Knowledge levels are 0. Training started actually. Accuracy is increasing. I mean to say, knowledge is increasing. And error is reducing. Training again keep on moving on actually. Then what exactly happened? Any idea? Accuracy is increasing. My knowledge levels are increasing. Error supposed to be exactly. While these three things are working each other, their main motto will be they will. These three always talks about two things actually. Always talks about what is the first one? You know what is the accuracy. Second one, what is the error? Only these two discussion actually. It never talk about any other discussion. Come on, I wanted to hear from you. What is the first one, sir? Increase accuracy, reduce error. Yes, what is the bias? What is the variance? I can talk. Errors two types. Bias error, the next one will be variance error. I can talk. I can talk later. Okay. These three are something like a triangle story actually. We can talk today more and more. Quite interesting and my favorite topic. Damn sure interview question. Can you explain? Can you explain about the gradient descent algorithm? During interview, they will ask actually. Okay. Then how to answer? I'm going to help you. Theory is important. Now today, I'm going to talk about the theory. There is a one question. Let me take a point that actually model gains the knowledge. Here, knowledge means algorithm or data actually. Sir, data means knowledge, sir. Data means knowledge. Go back to my father example. Am I right? Go back to my father example. My father is a Jeshwant. My father name is called as a Jeshwant. And, so his son, what is the son name actually? Daniel. And my father collected images. How many images actually? 100 images. What is the ratio? Chaptara? 70, 30. Frankly speaking, this is so called as a knowledge. Kada? Am I right or not, sir? Knowledge actually. Good. Now, during training, during what exactly? Training. Gain knowledge from data. From what exactly? From the data. From the data. Here, Daniel is nothing but an algorithm. If you compare like this, it is very easy, sir. Who is the Jashwant? Data scientist. Jashwant is so called as a data scientist. Such a best example I have given. Spend your some time. Why? Because those days I covered these are all discussion. You have to be very clear actually. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. Let us apply this. Yeah. Very good, man. Very good. I need to continue gradient descent algorithm. Sir, gradient descent algorithm. Theory is important first. What is important? Theory. Get ready to understand. What is the theory, First point number one. Point number one. Gradient descent algorithm, it will just try to, initially, it will just try to initialize. Did you remember? There is one point actually, the point will be coefficient and what exactly, sir? Intercept. These two are called as a parameters. These two are called as what exactly? Initially, it will initialize the parameters with the zero values. I mean to say that, this one is a starting position. Parameters initialize with zero, zero actually. What do you mean by that? It will initialize zero. The next one will be intercept actually. Then what is the relation with the parameters and prediction actually? Hold on, I will tell you. Can you tell me what is initial values? Coefficient value is the zero. The next one will be intercept value also zero. Once you confirmed about the parameters, come on, I need your response. What is the parameter? Talk with me. Coefficient value, intercept value. One more time. What is the parameter? Coefficient, intercept. You are comfortable, right? Sir, once ML algorithm knows coefficient and intercept value, then it will do the prediction. It will do prediction with parameters. Prediction with parameters. Am I right? I hope you already know. While doing the prediction, intercept value and coefficient values are helpful actually. Go back to the simple linear regression, I covered the same point actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Sir, once you done the prediction, what is the third step? Cost function involve actually. Why cost function? To check error. To check what exactly? Error actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah. Why? Because cost function knows actual value and prediction value. Very good. Cost function knows actual value and what exactly? Prediction value. Here onwards important. Let me repeat again. The whole steps I will talk minimum 3 times actually. That much very, very important. Gradient descent algorithm. Gradient descent is an algorithm. Whenever you are calling the fit method, whenever you are calling what method? Fit method. Gradient descent algorithm, automatically this algorithm, it will be enabled actual. You need to trigger this algorithm. It is the backend support. What support? Backend support actually. Right. Now gradient descent algorithm takes the data and gradient descent algorithm, it initialize the parameters. Initially, it will start from 0, 0. Let us assign coefficient value as the 0, intercept value as a 0. Then once it has, then gradient descent algorithm provide this information to the model. Then model takes that parameter. Model will do prediction. Model will do. Now the prediction result, it will pass to the cost. I told actually triangle story. What story? Gradient descent algorithm pass parameters to the machine learning algorithm. ML algorithm knows to only one thing. It will do the prediction. It will do. Then that prediction value, it will pass to cost function. Very good. Very good. Sir, here is the story. Then fourth step is checking the error. Checking what exactly? Error. Okay, checking the error. It's the right time. Checking the error. Can I tell you? If error is small actually, think like error is a small. Ultimately, we need a small error, right? Stop training. If error is small, why training is required? Come on, let me tell you. Imagine it's the right time we need to check the error. Back end error checking is going to happen. Sir, that training keep on, it should not happen actually. Training supposed to be stop. What is the stopping point? If error is the small, training will be stopped. Come on, I'm repeating again. Imagine error checking. There are two checks actually. Check number one. Hey, is error is small actually? Yes, boss. If error is a small, stop training. What is the next one? If error is large, very good, sir. Very good actually. If error is large, sir, this one is really very, very important. What happened, this point is very, very important. Now, let me tell you. Let me drink water. Come again? No, ma'am. I'm sorry. It will be any value. I will tell you how to calculate that error actually during bias and variance. During what exactly? Bias and variance. Good. Back to the session. Tim, either error is small or large just because of these parameters only. Just because of this, what exactly, sir? Parameters only. Right. If error is small, parameters are good. Parameters are? If error is large actually, tell me parameters are not good. Then what we need to do? If, yeah, very good, sir. If error is large, update the parameters. Update? Yeah, okay, actually, right. Update the parameters actually. Can you tell me initially what is the C value and I value? Chaptara? 0, comma. Now let us just try to update to. Let us update to 1 and let us update to what exactly 1. Again, the cinema is the same actually. Now, can you help me? Parameters updated, right? What is the next step actually? Prediction with the parameters. Yeah, good. And here, yeah, Daniel, updated parameter. You can just try to do the prediction with what exactly, sir? Parameter. The next one will be cost function will be involved. Why cost function, Chappan? Yeah, to check the error. Actual value and what exactly mean? Prediction value. Cost function takes care. And here, Chaptara, sir? Checking the error again. Again, same process actually. Checking the error. Now, can you help me? If, Chappan, sir, error is small, what we need to do? Yeah, stop training. If error is small, why? Why training actually? Now, what is the next step, sir? Next step, if error is large, let us maintain unique actually. Unique. You tell me what I need to do. That's it. This process keep on happen actually until to reach small error. Until to reach. Right. I will explain the whole process one more time. Chappan. Yeah, I will tell you. We have a separate discussion. Bias and variance actually. But that manually we are checking. Gradient descent algorithm will keep the I actually. Oh, either error is a small or big. It maintain actually. Chappan, any other? Yeah, yes, sir. Let me tell you. If you want, I will tell you one small thing. మీరు ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ చూడాలి అప్పుడు మీకు క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది look at the diagram just to please observe this diagram. I will ask one question. You can check one more time. Now let me explain slowly. Every time what is being updating actual parameters, m value and p value. Why updating? Because error is large actually. Then update the parameter, check again actually. Like that 200 times updated actually. Any circle, sir? 200 times actually. Upon 200th iteration, error is a small error. What error, sir? I'm sure you got it. What I mean to say that is, like this, if I'm comparing if and else condition, first time, second time, third time, fourth time, if you look at the diagram, 200 times it is checking actually. Conclusion of the story, coefficient value and intercept value in 200th iteration. What iteration? The error is a small error. Error is what error, sir? Small. Meeku ardhamainda? Right. So this diagram is very, very important. Now today you will get a clarity why this M value and B value keep on updating. Why? Because error is a large error. Error is what error? If error is the big error, update the parameter, do the prediction, check the error. If error is the large error, update the parameter, do the prediction, check the error. Keep on the process, keep on happen actually. Okay. Explanation number, first time. Second time also I will explain so that you guys never forget actually. 2 times explanation is really required actually, right? There is a one good question. If fit method internally applies gradient descent algorithm to minimize the cost function, gap between actual value and prediction value. Why updating coefficients? By updating coefficient. Then why do we need bother studying about algorithms explicitly actually? Point number one, sir, I appreciate you. There are 2 points you have to be very clear. Everyone, valid question actually. Point number one and point number two. I can talk practically in terms of real-time perspective actually. It would be good to know backend process. It would be good to know backend process actually. Backend process, how it is happening in the backend. Are you clear or not, sir? The next point will be, you know what? In deep learning, we can customize gradient descent algorithm. Then you should know the process. Gradient descent algorithm actual. If you wanted to customize the gradient descent algorithm approach, you should know the process. Did you understand? Siddiq Sarji. First point number one. It would be good to know the backend process. Yeah. So you no need to bother, but if you know that, it will be helpful for you. But in deep learning, we can customize the gradient descent algorithm. That's what you need to be understand. Are you clear about this one? Cool. Fine. Where are we? I can talk about it. Yeah, good. And I need your help actually. Chapter sir, update parameters. Update what exactly? Parameters. Update parameters in the sense as of now. Chapter sir. First one should be. Now let us update to 2. Let us update to 2. What exactly happened here again? Mali Japan. Prediction. Yeah, Daniel. The next one will be cost function. The next one will be error checking. Error checking actually. Error checking. Now if error is, Chapan sir, if error is small, then what is the step actually? Stop training. Stop training actually. Then go back to my father example. It's not like a lifetime training. It's not like, no. When you're talking about the training supposed to have a range. Starting point is required, end point is required. Otherwise, gone case actually. If keep on training in the sense, there is no use. That's why training is supposed to start at certain point of time. Training is supposed to move on. Training is supposed to start and stop at certain point of time. What is this? Why the training is getting stopping? Error is a small. What is a small? Once the training is over, that indicates to, sir, you got your right parameters. You got your right parameters. Then you got the small error. You got what error? Such a nice in detail explanation actually. Daniel, again the large actually. Sir, keep on the process actually. Keep on the process, keep on doing. If you look at the diagram, error is large, and like this, how it is keep on actually almost 200 times. How many times, man? Can I tell you one small point? It can be 2 lakhs times also. It can be 20 lakhs times also. No limitation. Until reach the small error, keep on training happens actually. That's the power of machine learning algorithm. Machine learning algorithm, automatically it will start learning the data. Sir, more data, much number of timings actually. Imagine you are giving 100 rows. On an average, 2 minutes training. You are giving 1000 rows. On an average 10 minutes training. You are giving 1 lakh rows. How many rows? 1 hour training actually. 10 lakh rows, 2 hours training. If you are increasing the data length actually, yes, the training time length also it will increase actually. Are you feeling boring? Yeah, this one is great question, boss. Great question actually. First point number one, we never stop actually. Gradient descent algorithm will decide. Here onwards training is not required. You can stop the process actually. But this one is good question. Great question, Sarji. Sarji. How to decide how much error is tolerable and stop running actually? There are again 2 points. Gradient descent algorithm will decide. Gradient descent algorithm will take care actually. Will take care. The next point will be I will show you. I will show you. Show in the sense everyone actually. I will show to everyone. Everyone. I mean everyone. Like how to see the error, how to see what exactly is the error during there is a topic, the topic name is called as a bias and variance. Chappan sir, bias and what exactly? Variance. Again, one more interlink actually, the topic will be. Sahu Sarji, I mean Piyush sir, did you understand? Yeah, good man. It's such a nice theory, man. I wanted to explain one more time, but now go back for the ML flow. Now I'm sure why gradient descent algorithm came here. Today is the realization point you understand actually. Are you with me or not? Sir, these are all, let me tell you, think like this one is a kind of some one family. In that family, 3 members. These 3 members are working together. What is their motto, you know? Accuracy should be good, error should be small. That's it. Their main motto will be, I wanted to reach good accuracy, I need a small error. I need a, they will fight, keep on actually. They will keep on, they can find each other. Let us take a father. Father has his own role. Same thing like that machine learning algorithm, it will do the prediction, it will pass to the cost function. Then, you know, so cost function, error is the big error actually. Oh, error is the big error. Again, gradient descent algorithm takes care. That's why order also important. I should not write gradient descent algorithm is the first and cost function is the next actual. No. Here, order also important. What is important, sir? Order also important actual. Make a note on this. Let me explain the whole process one more time. Daniel, what you're talking? I'm talking about the gradient descent algorithm, sir. Okay. In a gradient descent algorithm, first of all, it is also called as a optimization technique. What technique? What do you mean by optimize? Optimization. What to increase, what to decrease, it knows very well. It takes care actually. Cost function also optimization technique. Cost function also optimization. It will initialize. It takes care. Initialize with some random parameter. You know, so initialize the parameters. Initially think like c equals to 0 and I equals to 0. Some random parameter, random values. Randomly it will start actually, random values. It's supposed to initialize the values, right? It will start randomly some point. It will start randomly what exactly some point. Now here onwards talk with me, sir. Who takes care about the next one? Yeah, prediction. ML algorithm will involve actually. Gradient descent algorithm, it will pass. Boss, do one thing. Take this parameter, try the prediction. Then machine learning algorithm, thank you for giving the parameter. It will start doing prediction. Yeah, it done prediction. Then this prediction, ML algorithm will pass to cost function. Then cost function will validate the error. Right. When you're talking about the error, only 2 things. Either error is small or large. If error is small, stop training. Simple. In a simple words, I'm telling. If error is large, update the parameters. Cinema keep on moving on actually. Again, talk with me. Prediction, cost function. The next one. Ayyo, chappan sir. Error actually. The next one, either small or large. If it is a small, stop training. But can I tell you one thing? Sir, in first iteration, error never be small actually. This is just for checking, that's it. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Keep on it will do the process actually. If error is large, actually talk with me, sir. Update the parameters. Update what exactly? Parameter. Can I tell you? Let me tell you. My father started training, sir. First image training is done. First image. Because of that first image, I got just 1% knowledge. That's it actually. But 99% error. 1% knowledge, 99% error actually. Then error is a very big error actually. Then update the parameter. Means let us train with another image. Still more error. Train with another image. More error. Train with another image. Then the process keep on happening. My accuracy levels are increasing. Then error will be reducing. Reducing actually. That's what you need to be understand, right? Sir, the cinema goes on. You know, the cinema goes on actually. Until small error. Until to reach what exactly, sir? Small error. That's it. Once it is reaching, then cinema is done actually. Hope you understand. Maybe third term is not required. Let me open the theory. You will get an idea. Online team, I hope you understand. Can I open the material? You can not required. But remind me, this diagram also I need to upload actually. Prepare theory. Theory is important actually. Theory is important. Gradient descent is an optimization algorithm. Gradient descent is an optimization algorithm. This algorithm finds the values of parameter. Yeah, good. I already told many number of times what do you mean by parameter. Coefficient of a function that minimizes what exactly mean? Cost function. This algorithm takes care finding the parameter, assigning the parameter values. Assigning, this algorithm takes care actually. Takes care, right? Daniel, how the gradient descent algorithm works? A kind of some steps wise I have given. And here, what are all points I have explained? Here I have given like a steps wise actual. Starts with random initial values. Starts with random initial values for what exactly? Parameter, right? Prediction. Predict the values of target variable using what exactly, man? To do the prediction, current parameters required. Madam, what is required? Current parameter, right? Calculate the cost. What do you mean by that actually? Error, right? Now it's the right time. Either is error minimized actually? If yes, go to the step number 6. What is the step number 6? We have our final updated parameter. Stop the training. Sir, talk with me. If no means, then go to the step number. What do you mean by step number 5? No, update the parameters. What is that? Update the parameters values, and from here, once after you update the parameter, go to the step number 2. What is the step number 2 actually? Prediction, cost function, checking the error, process keep on goes actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Hope you understand. This image you can ignore. Maybe this I can talk tomorrow. A short session. I have a small personal work actually. A short session tomorrow. Today. This I will continue tomorrow. Oh, SVM iris data set only, right? Then I no need to upload the data set, I guess. Kada? Which one? PDF. Did I upload it wrong one? PDF? Oh, seriously. Oh, sure. Sorry. Then I can upload. Please, Sarji, I'm sorry, sir. Don't scold me. Yeah. I will upload. I will continue tomorrow. A short session, sir, today. If you give few minutes, I can upload very quickly. Man, very simple. These are all very simple. It depends on your practice. I strongly believe everyone should get a job actually. It depends upon your practice only. First of all, let me fix that issue. I'll go to 530 and here, where is that SVM? This is what, right? No. Which one? Okay. Oh, now here I need to upload what exactly, sir? Support vector mesh I need to upload here. Am I right? And careful cross validation also. I need to change the heading also. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Then careful cross validation I need to delete, I guess. Previously would you have? Okay, thank you. Sorry for my mistake, sir. Come on, please. You take a control and Daniel, let us look at actually. Here also wrong means gone case. I need to upload this one, right? Just for fun, I'm asking actually. Don't be aggressive. Okay, let me upload gradient descent algorithm also. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Now here onwards, I takes care about this material and you can just try to prepare this. Let us upload gradient descent algorithm. Let us upload this. Yeah, one minute. 1 minute. Why it is not being getting uploading? Sorry, man. Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir. Let us upload running nodes too. Image upload చేస్తుంటే ఇది ఇష్యూ వస్తుంది సార్ ఏదో ఇష్యూ వస్తుంది let me try again. It's not being getting loading. I don't know why it is. Yeah. No, fine then. Gradient descent, gradient descent, gradient descent. Three places should be match actually. Online team, thank you for joining. We done today's session. We'll catch again tomorrow. Okay. Good. Thank you.